The laser can also be used to create engravings, but how exactly does that work?
So, when you have a picture that you want to engrave, the laser or the program separates that picture into different lines, which the laser then will draw and vary the laser power to create a certain depth if you want that. If you don't want a 3D engraving, you can as well do a 2D engraving where you just put little dots onto the material, and then it will look like an actual picture in the end. But you can choose from different engraving variants as well on different materials, such as wood or acrylic as an example. You can as well engrave certain metals if they're anodized, for example, or materials like stone or fabrics and such.